Discover our DLX Monroe suite, premier quality boards, painted to a smooth white finish and adorned with natural wood grain acoustic panels. Behind safe, cool-to-touch sleek glass walls, the DLX offers uninterrupted clear views of flames and beautiful oak logs. Each log is split to reveal the unique character of the oak. Chosen for its deep rich color, distinctive textured bark, and coarse wood grain, hardwood oak showcases a beautiful and truly natural finish for these premium electric fires. Select from a range of 16 color presets, or simply choose to relax with a slow cycle through the color spectrum in our fully immersive animation mode. Control your fire from your smartphone or tablet with full handset functionality. Operational noise is kept to an absolute minimum with our quiet, smooth-running heating system. DLX Monroe is a place-down plug-in electric suite that provides a high-end luxury fireplace solution with hassle-free installation.